Hi everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a super useful trick in Confluence, how to add expandable sections to your pages. These are the neat little drop-downs that hide big blocks of text and let your viewers reveal details when they want. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your pages cleaner and easier to read, which is a big win if you're sharing lots of info with teammates or clients. Alright, let's dive right in. Confluence actually has a built-in tool called the expand macro, and that's what we're going to use for this. It's simple, fast, and perfect for anyone who wants to hide detailed explanations, FAQs, or anything lengthy that doesn't need to be front and center on your page. First up, you'll need to open the page you want to edit. Just find your page and hit the Edit button at the top. You'll see the familiar editing interface. Even if you've never added a macro before, don't worry, this one's straightforward, and you can always undo changes if you need to. Now, when you're ready to insert an expandable section, simply type a /, that's the slash symbol above the Enter key, and then start typing the word expand. As you start to type, Confluence should show you a list of options. Choose the one that says Expand Macro. You might see others, but we want the basic expand for this demo. Once you hit Enter, you'll see a new section appear in your page with some placeholder text. At the top of this little box, there's a title area that says something like Give this expand a title. This is your clickable heading. Go ahead and click into that line and change it to something more specific, like click to see details or more info on step 3. This is what your viewers will see and click on, so make it short and clear. Think of it like a label on a sealed envelope. You want people to know what they're about to open. Now for the important part, adding the content. Right below your title, there's a larger space for text or other content. This is where you place whatever you want to keep hidden until the user expands the section. Maybe it's a long set of instructions, a chunk of code, or an explanation for a tricky process. You can either type straight into the macro or paste in content you already have. You can even add basic formatting, bullet points, or images if you like. Don't worry if it looks squished in the editor. Confluence will display it nicely when the section is collapsed and only expand to show the full detail when someone clicks. Take a moment to double-check your title and content. Sometimes it's easy to leave the placeholder titles by accident, happens to all of us. If you're happy with how it looks, all you need to do now is publish. Just click the Publish or Update button at the top right of the page. Once it refreshes, you'll see your new expandable section in action. Try clicking it open and closed a couple times to test how it feels for your viewers. If you want to tweak anything, just jump back into Edit and adjust. And that's it. Using the expand macro is a quick way to keep your pages neat, tidy, and much easier for your readers to scan. If you share pages with a team, expandable sections can really cut down on information overload. People only see the details when they actually need them. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or if you want to see more advanced macro tricks, drop a comment below. Make sure you subscribe for more Confluence tips and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing.